Okay, hi guys. The next concept in this three-dimensional geometry is equation of a line passing through two given points. Then what exactly we get a equation of a line when this line is passing through given 2 points. Okay, so we'll just derive for that. Equation of a line passing through given 2 points. Okay, I just draw the figure for this. In a three-dimensional space, it's an x-axis, y-axis, and a z-axis. There is a line. I just consider this is a directed line, and from here I just consider the point A from the origin. Again, from origin to this directed line, I just consider the another point P. Next, there is another point in between. I just take it that as a B. So now for this point A, I just consider the vector A, and for a point P, which is a position vector R, and point B vector is small letter b. Okay, now I can take this as a point P. It is with x, y and a z. Point A is with x1, y1, z1, and a point B, it is with x2, y2 and a z2. You just take it, this is a origin. This is what the figure to derive the equation of a line which is passing through given 2 points. So now I just explain the figure. Here I can take the two vectors A and a B. These two are the position vector of the points A of x1, y1, z1 and a B of x2, y2, z2. Next, that are lying on the line. These two are lying on this line. Next, I can take, let P be a point of x, y and a z which is on the line again. If the AP, if I consider the vector AP, we can write that as vector R minus vector A. Hope you guys understood how this is. We can write this AP vector as OP minus OA. We can write OP as a position vector with a vector R and OA as a small letter a vector. Hence we can write the distance of a AP is vector R minus vector A. Similarly, I can write another vector which is AB vector. The distance of the 2 points A and a B, we can write it that as vector B minus vector A. Is it clear? If you understood these two equations, then the remaining is easy. Next we can write, and I can say that the AP vector and the AB vector are collinear. Collinear means which are lying on the same line. Okay, so therefore I can say that AP vector and AB vector are collinear. Else I can write this as vector R minus vector A, which is equal to with some other constant lambda of B vector minus A vector. If I simplify this more, I can keep it the position vector R here only. Is nothing but vector R is equal to, if I take the negative A this side, it will be a plus A vector plus lambda into vector B minus vector A. I can say that this is what the equation of a line when the line passing through a given 2 points, and this will call it as the vector form of a equation of a line. This is a vector form. Then what will be the Cartesian form? So Cartesian form we are going to derive with the help of the vector form. So in a vector we have a vector, b vector and a r vector. So as we know that r is nothing but it is a position vector and it is with a point P, hence you can take it, this vector r is xi plus yj plus zk, okay, and a vector b and vector a. Vector a you can take it as vector a, you can take it x1i, it is with the coordinate x1, y1, z1, hence we can write the vector a is x1i plus y1j plus z1k, and we can write the b vector. B vector is nothing but x2i, y2j plus z2k. With the help of a vector, b vector and a r vector, we are going to derive the equation of a line in a Cartesian form. Okay, so I can write. So we have vector r is xi yj plus zk. Vector a is x1i plus y1j plus z1k, and you can write vector b as x2i plus y2j plus z2k. Okay, now you just substitute these vectors in a vector form and you just simplify, there you will get the Cartesian form of equation of a line. So we have the vector form is vector r is equal to a vector plus lambda into b minus a vector. You just substitute. Vector r is nothing but xi plus yj plus zk. A vector is x1i plus y1j plus z1k. If you are good enough in a difference of a two vectors, so I can write it directly with the ijk components. In a b it is a x2, a is a x1. The difference of this one with the I component is x2 minus x1 of I component plus y2 minus y1 of j component, z2 minus z1 of k component. So I can write this as x2 minus x1 of I plus y2 minus y1 of j plus z2 minus z1 of k. So again what I'll do is I'll just take it this one this side. It will be again x minus x1 of I plus y minus y1 of j plus z minus z1 of k, and in RHS we have with a lambda of a terms, lambda of x2 minus x1 of I plus y2 minus y1 of j plus z2 minus z1 of k. So you just equating the ijk component and eliminate the lambda. You will get equating ijk and also eliminating lambda. I can write, if you compare ijk component on both the side is nothing but you will get x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so that is also equal with y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Okay, so we can write that as x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So this is what the Cartesian form of equation of a line. Okay, hope you guys understood this derivation. So they'll ask you the problem based on this one. Okay, so sometimes they'll ask the derivation also. Only thing is how you write the AP vector and AB vector. So all derivation which is based on the AP vector and the AB vector. If you know how to write the AB and the AP, then the remaining is easy. Okay. So now we'll just do it one problem based on a vector form and a Cartesian form of the equation of a line which is passing through given 2 points. Okay. Example is find the vector equation of a line. Find vector equation of a line passing through the points -1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6. You can consider the first point as a A and second point as a B. You just write it in IJK component and you just substitute in the vector form. So that will be the required equation for line in a vector form. So I just consider this one -1, 0 and 2. I just write it that in terms of a IJK. Vector A is equal to -1 into I is minus I. So J is with a 0 because it is a 0 plus 2 times K component. Next, vector B is 3I plus 4J plus 6K. Now, in a vector form, we have a B minus A. So you just do it that first. Then you just substitute the A, B and B minus A in a vector form. B minus A is equal to 3I plus 4J plus 6K minus of minus I plus 2K. You just subtract these two. 3I minus of minus I will be a plus I. So 3 plus 3I plus I is a 4I. Next, in this there is no J component, so we just write it this one as it is 4J plus 6K minus 2K is again 4K. So B minus A is 4I plus 4J plus 4K. Now we have vector equation of a line is vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda into B vector minus A vector. Vector R, you just write it as it is. Vector A is minus I plus 2K plus lambda into, we got it, B minus A is 4I plus 4J plus 4K. So, hope you guys understood this example. Okay, this is what the required equation of a line which is passing through the given 2 points in a vector form. Okay, we have so many examples that is in an exercise, okay, which is based on this one. So, once we complete this concept, one more concept is there. So, I'll just do it that one. So, after that, there are so many problems which are related to equation of a line which is passing through the given 2 points in a vector as well as a Cartesian. Okay, we'll just do it in a further classes, those problems. Hope you guys understood the derivation of this and an example. Okay, thank you guys.